It is way easier to make money selling property courses than actually building a property portfolio. You are in luck today. For just £1, you can join our Zoom session this Sunday and you would qualify for 50% off all our training materials. Usually they go for £3,000. By joining the Zoom call this Sunday for just £1, you will qualify for 50% off. Have you heard that before? Click here to join our free mastermind program this Saturday, where I will show you all you need to make £100,000 in property in 6 months. I will show you the exact tools and guide that I used to make £1 million in property last year. But you would have to join our mentorship program for just £10,000. And this one, for just £100 a month, you get access to high net worth individuals. And all your property problems will be over. We'll show you all the tools, the tricks that you need to succeed in property. You pay a joining fee of £5,000 and £100 monthly fee. That's all you need to succeed in property. Heard that before? Let's be honest. It is way easier to make money selling property courses than actually building a property portfolio. Everywhere you turn, there is someone selling the dream. Quit your job, live free, build wealth through property. All for just maybe £10,000. But what do most people actually get? A few motivational Zoom call, a WhatsApp group, and some templated documents that you could have downloaded for free. Don't get me wrong, there are some solid property trainers out there. But the truth is, more than 90% of what you have out there would not even move the needle for you. So here is what this channel is all about. My goal is simple: to help you go on your property journey and build your own portfolio by yourself. Because the best learning doesn't come from paying for hypes, it comes from doing. There are loads of free practical information out there. You just need to know how to execute them properly. Here, you will find real talk, no fluff, no sales speech, just tools, tips, and techniques you can apply immediately. The confidence to take your next step and build your property by yourself. If you do choose to pay for a property course, please do your due diligence. Check honest reviews. If possible, pay in installments so you can walk away if it doesn't deliver value. But you will find everything you need here to build confidence and build your portfolio without burning holes in your pocket. This is where we turn information into action and action into results.